to see you. All right, we've got one more item though with ELEMIS, again, the UK's #1 selling skincare brand. And we're gonna end with a big bang, because this is the Overnight Matrix. This is your night cream. This is when you're going to bed and your skin says, I am going to wake up and I am not gonna be dry on you. I am gonna be hydrated thanks to this Overnight Matrix. I am not gonna make you look older when you wake up and look in the mirror. I'm gonna make you look younger when you wake up thanks to the Overnight Matrix. Today only are we at 90 instead of 110. So we're gonna save $20 only today, and that's if quantities even make it to the end of the day. Free shipping and an $18 easy pay. So this brand is a sensation. Our Q customer loves the brand, the country loves the brand, but there's an item, our Matrix, that goes on evening only, and it's the big powerhouse for anti-aging.
It is. I mean, Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, we've looked at that in our big deal. That's your daytime moisturizer. Here, our Overnight Matrix is your dedicated nighttime treatment. And let me tell you, nighttime is the ultimate time to treat your skin, because while we're sleeping, we can go hard to work with the most groundbreaking, most innovative, most cutting edge ingredients right here in our Overnight Matrix. This pot here contains our smart Drone Peptide Technology. This is science in a jar. This is smart skincare. So our homes are smart, right?
Yes.
From our cars to our tablets and phones, obviously, but even our fridges now, right, are smart. Why not our skincare? Why not bring that sophistication to our skin? That's what ELEMIS does. So here with the Smart Drone Peptide Technology, we are seeking out areas of your skin that are stressed and showing the signs of aging. Stress is the new silent ager, so we need a solution to tackle it, and that's what this nighttime cream does.
It is popular. Popular. And at retail, costs even more than our normal QVC price. So you're saving off of the QVC price, the $20, but from retail, this should be $165, and we're at $90. This is the best day to try it. This is the best day to stock up on it, especially when you consider the free shipping and the $18 easy pay. And I know sometimes when you're watching a show today, you're thinking, well, wait a minute, should I change this then and get rid of what I'm using? And should I change this and get rid of what I'm using? If you do not have a night cream that you swear by and love, I'm not asking you to start a whole new routine. I'm just asking you to put this into your nighttime routine, and you will see a difference in the morning.
See a dramatic difference. And this is Alberti's favorite product from ELEMIS. His number one.
His number one.
I launched it with him, I think it was back in 2018, and he has been a dedicated fan of this night cream ever since. And I understand why, because it's also my chosen night cream. So this delivers results because, like I said, stress is the new silent ager. So we need something that is helping to combat the stress on the skin. We're also working on skin's elasticity and skin firmness. So this is power packed with that next generation ingredient. It is that peptide power in here. So what we've done is we've taken an inner peptide and an outer peptide. The outer peptide acts like a satellite navigation. It seeks out the areas of your skin that are stressed and showing the signs of aging, and to those specific areas, strategically, it is delivering that inner peptide. Peptides are the building blocks for your skin. They're all about support. I very often talk about collagen and elastin and peptides. These are the scaffolding, the structure, the function of your skin, and without those, we just don't have that lovely robustness to our skin. So let's get that back, and that's what this night cream does for us.
Absolutely. And Jason, remind me, do we have before and afters for our Overnight Matrix? Yay, they're
sure
up and
do.
they are running. I thought we did. Again, what should be $165 at retail is $90 here, but only today. And tell me about this incredible 4-week after.
Yeah, 4-week results. So you can see those lines just cascading down the complexion from the eye area, all those lines at the side of the mouth as well, and how deeply set in those are. And you can see that that skin is looking less resilient, less strong. You know, it's looking like it's lacking in firmness. How stronger that skin looks in the after, how diminished those lines and wrinkles are, but also look how beautifully restored, plumped, radiant, more even that skin is in the after. That's just 4 weeks, 1 month, it's all it's taken. And that's once a day, right? Nighttime treatment for your skin is what we're talking about here.
Look at the under under eye area, look above the eye area, that ring around the eye. I'm not sure if that's the right way to say it, but I did. You know, you see hard lines and etched in wrinkles in the before, and in the after, they have all just quieted down.
They have, because this formulation takes what ELEMIS do best, and that is seaweeds. We have got an advanced algae complex in here, paired and teamed up together with those peptides, that next generation peptide technology. So we are tackling those lines and wrinkles. We are taking care of the skin's firmness. We are fortifying it with strength and support. And that's why we see not just a line and wrinkle reduction, but we see that firmer skin. And you know, if you have stood in front of the mirror and kind of pulled your face back or up or whatever,
I'm just getting to that point in my life.
Any way, shape or form, this is the night cream you need in your routine, because in the morning time, you're going to see such a dramatic difference in your complexion, and then your skin is stronger for the day, which is super important as well. So nighttime, it's all about treatment. Can we talk about the texture of this as well?
Well, with ELEMIS in general, like, it's why I went crazy over the milk wash. It's why I went crazy over the eye cream. It is a different level of skincare here.
It is, yeah. So with this night cream, it gives you this rich, whippy, almost custard-like texture
I only have
to
the
it.
sample here, but come on in and take a look.
Come on, dive on into that jar. And it is so beautiful. But as you apply it to your skin, it just melts. It melts into your complexion, becomes one with your skin, creates this cocoon over your skin. So while you're sleeping at night, it is drip feeding your skin with all of those luscious ingredients. Absolutely. But it never feels weighty or smothering on your complexion at all. So even if you are having hot flushes or those tropical moments through the night, which inevitably you can and do, then this is going to comfort your skin, lock that moisture in. So it's called transepidermal water loss, where we literally, the water evaporates out of our skin as we sleep. We're locking that hydration in, supplementing it, but then we're tackling those lines and wrinkles, firming and restoring the skin. And then the aroma. If you love the original cleansing balm, we have put, because it's the and that's what we need when we're going to bed at night, right? We need to let the day go, drop the shoulders, take in the beautiful aroma.
You just need your overnight matrix, right? Well, and again, you save $75 today, and today only, free shipping and an $18 easy pay. We have studies standing by, I believe, and this is going to show you the results that customers are getting, and I only see 100% up there, Emer.
So I'm talking about next generation ingredients, ingredients that are new, exclusive to the global skincare industry. So of course I have to back it all up with science for you, and that's what ELEMIS do. So every single person showed a measured increase in their skin's elasticity, 100%. Every single person, again, 100% of users showed a measured reduction in the appearance of their lines and wrinkles, and every single person agreed that their skin looked less stressed and more youthful in the morning time. And to me, that's what this 4-week is. It's a skin that looks less stressed. The lines softened, the skin plumped, hydrated. Look around the eye area here. You can see the tone of the skin, the texture of the skin, but you can see those lines so evident in the before. Look how softer the entire eye and complexion is. That is a less stressed skin, i.e. it's firmer, more resilient. The elasticity is restored, and this is a pro-collagen product, which means we're helping to promote collagen within the skin. Another clear example in 4 weeks of the transformation that Overnight Matrix delivers.
It's a brand you should know about, and more importantly,
amazing.
it's a brand you should have and be using. And today with our discounts, whether it's the big deal or other items in the show or our night matrix, this is the day to try. $75 less, only until midnight. Free shipping and $18 easy pay. It's A698481. Emer, thank you so very much for the education,
such a great
for the great products.
Thank you, darling.
I've never been one to shower in the morning and then want to take a bath at night, but with my new body wash, I think I'm absolutely going to do that.
Be like, where's Amy? She's in the shower again.
Right, I know. Sandra Bennett, I love your hair like that, by the way. Our today's special value. It looks dynamite. Sandra Bennett up next, philosophy up next. More Master Beauty class when we return.